Next tonight, Embu Governor Martin Wambora could go down in history as the first governor to be impeached under the devolved government. Embu County Speaker Justice Kariuki dismissed a court order blocking the impeachment, saying that the court order papers were not authentic. As the situation stands now, the Embu governor now only has one thing standing between him and impeachment. KTN's Kathryn Omwnadho has more on this developing story.
Martin Wambora will be a household name for the next couple of months as he becomes the first governor to be voted for impeachment by his county's assembly. They want him impeached for alleged corruption. By this evening, the Embu County Assembly had resolved to remove their governor Martin Wambora after less than a year in office. According to the Constitution, to remove a governor from office, a member of the County Assembly forwards a notice supported by at least a third of all members for reasons provided for under Article 181 of the Constitution, which includes gross misconduct, criminal offence, mental or physical incapacitation.
We expected, Mr. Speaker, that somebody would stand and counter, Mr. Speaker, that the Moi Stadium, which we clearly indicated and we have evidence that there was corruption to a tune of an extra of 42 million, Mr. Speaker. Move out. No, I won't go.
In Wambora's case, 22 out of 33 county assembly members wanted him out. Immediately after Wambora heard of the vote, he sought legal reprieve. It happened on the 23rd of January that Kerogoya High Court Judge Cecilia Githua granted him a court order to block the resolution to impeach him. Unfortunately for Wambora, Embu House Speaker Justice Kariuki scrutinized the court order papers and found that it did not bear the High Court seal.
This assembly shall not be injuncted by the purported court order.
The only government body that can officially remove Wambora is the Senate, and this happens in various steps while Wambora continues to carry out his gubernatorial duties. According to Article 33 of the County Governments Act, within 7 days of the resolution to impeach Wambora, the Embu County Speaker shall forward the notice of resolution to the Speaker of the Senate. The Speaker will then convene a meeting of the Senate to hear charges against the Governor, and the Senate, by resolution, may appoint a special committee comprising of 11 members to investigate the matter. The committee can dismiss the charges if the facts are not substantiated, or can proceed to have the Governor plead his case in a hearing. All this must be done within 10 days. When the report is presented to the Senate, members will take a vote. If a simple majority finds Wambora guilty, then he will have to leave office and his deputy will fill his vacancy for the rest of the term. If the Senate vote is at an impasse, then the Speaker of the County Assembly must reintroduce the case after 3 months from the day of the Senate vote. Interestingly, the County Assembly is also in the process of impeaching the Deputy Governor. Kathryn Omwnadho, KTN.